Now, this is a simple demo of getting data into Power BI using DataBlend. And here I am on a simple Power BI dashboard. I can filter for a particular account, I can filter for a particular business unit, or I can manipulate time and see the data change as we go, as you would hope from a Power BI dashboard. Now, I could be someone in your organization or perhaps one of your clients, and the data in this dashboard is in a cloud database. Now, you might have one of those already in your organization, or DataBlend can optionally include one in your DataBlend subscription. But now we've got some updated data. In this case, we've got several years for the demo to make it really, really obvious. Now, DataBlend can connect to any source system, on-premise or cloud, or process files direct for email and file sharing services. But for this demo, I've got a file, and I'm going to drop that into the DataBlend Secure FTP, which is just a cloud folder on the right here that I can access with a free bit of software like this. I can take this financial sample data, drag it across. Now, that could be a file that I've been sent or a file that I've created, and I'm done. But just to show you, if I pop into DataBlend, just refresh. The point is, you don't have to come into DataBlend for this. It's going to pick up the file and process it automatically without further input. You can see here, we're taking that file, processing it through to our cloud database financials. It's processing that automatically, and now it's done. So the next time the dashboard user comes here and refreshes their dashboard, all up to date with the very latest data.